Alright, let's begin with today's IEP goal. Goal number 1, English, language arts, and reading. Objectives. By the end of 9 instructional weeks, when given verbal, visual, model, and prompts, Jeronimo will increase vocabulary comprehension skills by identifying the function of 7 common objects: remote, chair, hat, book, shampoo, pencil, toothbrush, and toothpaste 70% of the time. On a separate sheet of paper, Jeronimo will answer these questions. Does he have his separate sheet of paper already? If so, let's begin. He will only write the number and his answer next to the number. Let's begin. Number 1. What is a chair used for? A. Sitting, B. Sleeping, or C. Jumping? Number 2. Is toothpaste used for your hair? True or false? Number 3. What is a toothbrush used for? A. Cleaning toys, B. Teeth, C. Shoes? Number 4. What is the pencil used for? A. Throwing, B. Writing, or C. Breaking? Number 5. A hat is used for wearing on your feet. True or false? Number 6. The book is used for reading. True or false? Number 7. The shampoo is used for what? A. Washing hair, or B. Washing clothes? Number 8. The television remote is used to turn on a car. True or false? Upon completion, please send me a picture of the separate sheet of paper Jeronimo used to answer these questions, and I will upload them to his file. Thank you.